Hello TapRooT users, it's a TapRooT Tech Guy here again, and today I want to introduce you to a new series where we will highlight new features that have been added to the TapRooT VI software. In this case, we're going to go ahead and take a look at the new report builder in TapRooT 6.6.0. So let's go ahead and open that up. First off, you'll notice a cleaner interface with the section headers being larger, easier to read. They're still collapsible, as you can see. Everything is within that section. And we also have a header section and a footer section as well. And when you select either of those, you have additional options that can be added, such as date created, page number, or page X of X pages if you know you're going to have a lengthy report. Let's go ahead and go back to the body section. A few other things I want to highlight are some of the renaming and a couple of features that have been added in the sections. So the company info used to be called the header section in the old report builder, and you can see it has all your company information here: logo, name, address, so forth. Visual elements is titled the same, but we actually have a couple different options here now that have been added. So we have a signature field, so if you want to make sure you get that signature once the report's printed out, you can add that. And then we also have an option to add a table to the report. So I'll go ahead and drag that on there, and we can either use the arrow keys to indicate the number of columns or rows, or we can actually go ahead and type it in here. So I'll go ahead and just type in 2, so we make a table of 2 by 2. And with that table, you can go ahead and put any information in there. You can drag items to the report and then drag them into the cell. You can just use free text, which is another new feature on the report builder, is that you no longer need to use the label and drag that onto there. You can just type in here. And there you go, it's automatically saved. Okay, so that's under that section. The TapRooT findings section has all the same information, but this is what we called the TapRooT tables in the previous build. And here you have your causal factors, corrective action, root causes, and so forth. Details section is the same. It has information about the name, the incident date, time, location, classification. And then one other one I want to highlight right now is the images. Before we had the snapcap images and attachment sections, but as you can only attach images in the report builder, we just decided to consolidate that into the images section. So as you can see, insert new attachments or snapcap. So any snapcap you take will show up in this section. Okay, so now we've gone over those. Let's go ahead and take a look over here and a couple different sections. So your page size options are here: A4, A5, executive, legal, and letter. If we want to make this a landscape report, because we know we're going to have a lot of objects in here, we can go ahead and switch that. I'm going to go ahead and switch it back to portrait, and then we have our save button here. So I'm going to go ahead and call this test report and hit save. Give it a second, and you can see I created a second test report because I'd done this earlier, and I'll go ahead and leave those for now, but we'll go ahead and name any extra reports you have. But you can go ahead and remove those. In the past, if you needed to view your report, you actually had to click on the report link right here in order to see it in the PDF format. Now you don't have to do that. We actually have a preview PDF icon here. So if you click on that, you can see everything you had in your report. One other thing I want to add is that variables are only going to be in the template builder and not the report builder for a specific investigation. So in here, I'm going to go ahead and drag company name, and in the past, it would just say company name. The variable would be in here, and you wouldn't be able to see it until you actually previewed the report or viewed the report by clicking on the link. That is still the case with the template builder, but on these individual reports, when you do a report builder and create the report, it will actually fill in the data for the specific investigation. So that's pretty much a quick highlight of the new features of the TapRooT 6.60 report builder. Stay tuned, we're working on additional videos about the report builder and other new TapRooT 6.6 features. Don't forget to follow us and click that bell down at the bottom to be notified when we have new videos drop. Thanks again for watching, and don't forget, just because it's technical doesn't mean it has to be complicated. Have a great day.